Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Jake here with BrusHstroKeZ, and we are back for another giveaway. Since the last time we had a 100 subscriber giveaway, I'm up to over 300 subscribers now, so I did miss out on the 200 subscriber giveaway. So today we'll be doing 10 winners. We'll be doing stickers again. For those of you that did win a sticker in the first giveaway, I did order some more stickers, some bigger ones, so you can still enter and win as well. You'll get a bigger sticker this time. So to enter in the giveaway, all you have to do, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I want to hear from you what you'd like to see me do a video on. Something very specific, if possible. I do this for all of you to help you out, maybe give you some tips or tricks, or maybe even some ideas on some future projects that you got going on. I've learned basically everything that I know from YouTube, watching others, reading, some forums on Facebook, and then I have had a couple of formal trainings in the past year and a half or so as well with House of Color and Tamco. Um, Now, for those of you that haven't watched many of my videos, let me give you a little background on me. I've been airbrushing a little bit over 3 years now. The first 2 years, I was strictly just practicing. And I was mostly just doing t-shirts, textiles, practicing on paper towels. And then about the last year or a little bit more, I decided to get into painting, using spray guns and, doing graphics and, spraying larger things. So I don't have a lot of experience, but I do have a lot of knowledge. When I started this journey, I got rid of cable TV, don't really talk to many of my friends anymore or hang out much. I just paint all the time, practice, or I'm reading or watching instructional videos, doing something to learn and grow. I do all my own work, all the painting, all the vinyl, all the designing. I use Adobe Illustrator and Procreate on my iPad for all my design work. So if you want to see some videos about that, I got quite a bit of knowledge there. As you can see over here, I do have a plotter as well. So if you have any questions about that, I can possibly help you, or do a demonstration video for you as well going forward. So, but yeah, I really like to hear what you guys want to know. By the way, I use Tamco clear coats. I use their clear coat, primer, cleaners. And then I have recently started practicing pinstriping, and I'm using their brusheZ pinstripe paint. And then I did order some Tamco airbrush paint, their intensity airbrush paint too. I have yet to use that, so I probably will do my first use of the Tamco intensity airbrush paint as a video for you guys. Something else, I also use CreateX paint. So I've always used CreateX paint since day one. I know a lot of people struggle with CreateX and have a lot of problems. I did too. I had a lot of those problems. But once you figure out how to use it properly, it's amazing. I just absolutely love it. So I do all my airbrushing usually right here. We're in my studio. It's just a spare bedroom, my daughter's old bedroom. Then I just kind of put a desk and plotter, kind of all my stuff in here. I just got a little exhaust fan in the window here, and I just have an easel that I set up right here and do my painting on. So I can do some live videos, so if that's something you want to see, whether it's airbrushing, painting, cutting and buffing, priming, you name it, I'm doing it, I'm practicing it. Right now I don't have a lot of customer orders either, so if there's a video that you guys really want to see, leave it in the comments below. I might be able to make a video in a day or two. So I really want to make this content for you guys, so I want you guys to drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in future videos. Like I said, I'll give you all my knowledge that I have, do demos on it, even experiment if there's something I haven't done that you want to see. mention it in the comments, and we'll try it out. And we'll go from there. So, don't know what else to add. Oh, I did drop a BrusHstroKeZ merchandise shop where you can get some awesome t-shirts like these. This is the all over print. It's got my logo all over the place. I thought it was kind of cool to just have it big and all over. There's t-shirts, hoodies, leggings, socks, you name it. There's coats for your dog. You name it. I'll put the link down below if you want to order something from there. I also give you $10 in BrusHstroKeZ bucks. That is that goes towards commissioned work. So if you wanted me to paint you something, whether it's a tumbler or just a panel or anything that you want to send me to, we can do that as well. Drop my contact info below, and if you want to shop, buy something from the merch store and get a discount on, some paint or artwork from me, and go ahead. I'll leave that link below as well. Go ahead and order you some BrusHstroKeZ merchandise. So I appreciate each and every one of you, all you new subscribers. Welcome. I'm very grateful for you, and hope to hear from you coming up soon. And until next time, keep those brushes stroking.